Okay, what we're going to do in this is to do attributes. It's a multi-part. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a title block. Remember, you need to make sure over here you're in drafting and annotation, the little gear. Up at the top, you need to make sure you're in drawing units. You check your units. Make sure it says architectural. Okay. You tell it okay. So that way everything will be designed in feet and inches. So it'll look really good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to draw us a title block. 8.5, okay, inches. Oh, well, I put 7.5. 8.5 inches, okay, down. And then I shall come over here, 11 inches again, and then join it. Okay, I can come over now and I can type offset. Okay, and I could say the distance would be 0.25, which is also 1/4 of an inch. So I'll do offset here, offset here, offset here, and offset here. Now you notice that I have some of my lines are crossing each other, so I need to do a trim. These are some of the basic commands that you've learned during your different courses here at Del Mar College. And so we can also do this one and this one. That way we get it nice and cleaned up. And then I will pull this one in and do this one too. And this one. Okay, so we will do a trim command from here to here. And let's do the very last one right here. Now I have my inner band and my outer band. This outer band will go over here on our layout at the very edge. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to tell it to do offset. And we are going to tell it to offset 2 inches. And we will offset this. Then we need to do some more offsets. Okay, and so I will offset this. Okay, and I will tell it offset, and let's tell it 0.25 again. Okay, and so I want to do about maybe 4 of these lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's do another one. Let's do this one here. Okay, so I can come over here and I could do offset again, and I will tell it 2 inches again, because then I will come over here. Now I'll start trimming to make it look more like a shape of a title block, okay, that I want it to look like. Okay, and so then I can come over here and I can do some trim. And I can remove some of these because I do not need all of these, just those. So I can also do an offset here, and you'll see the purpose of all of these. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a title block. Okay, so I will offset it 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I think what I'm also going to do is come over here. I need to trim this. And you'll see that there is a method to my madness. Okay. So let's say I'm going to, because I had a little snafu right here. Okay. I could leave those if I want to. Let's just leave them there, okay? There's no need to delete those, okay? But I do want to trim this really long line here because it's not necessary. Okay, so now I have a place to put the person that edited the drawing the date and their initials, and then also have a place for the drawing number or project ID. I can also come up here because I'm not really sure what we want for up here, but I can go ahead and just move this up a bit. Let's trim this. Okay, and trim this. So now all of this will be my title block. So I've created the layout of the title block. Okay,